Hello students, this is another variety in which we will be solving the questions of the word problems. Okay, now this is fraction based questions. Now the fraction based questions, again starting the fundamental. First of all, let us try to understand that what is the concept behind the fraction based question. अभी क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ा है, फर्स्टली कंसेप्ट समझते हैं. ओके, तो जब भी फ्रैक्शन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आपको मिलेगा, देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू हैव टू डू कि लेट numerator be x, let denominator be y. हमेशा इतना लेना ही लेना है. And then fraction is equals to x upon y. This is what you have to write down before even reading the question. Okay, if the question is fraction based, इतना तो हर बार हमने करना ही करना है. Numerator x, denominator y, fraction x upon y. Now after this, now let's start reading the question. Let us see what is given in the question. So I'm reading the question for you all. The question given to us is a fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. The fraction becomes 9 upon 11 when 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. मतलब कि नाउ जब हम न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में दोनों में ही जब हम 2 ऐड कर देंगे x upon 2, ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शन is x upon y, and when we will add 2 to the both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 9 upon 11. Now let's do the cross multiplication. That is 11 into x plus 2 is equals to 9 into y plus 2. Okay, now opening up the bracket, that becomes 11x plus 22 is equals to 9y plus 18. 9y को साइड लेके आ जाते हैं, 22 को साइड ट्रांसपोज कर देते हैं, that becomes 11x minus 9y is equals to 18 minus 22, that is 11x minus 9y is equals to minus 4. That is your first equation. आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन में अपन को क्या दे रहा है कि if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 upon 6. अगर हम न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में ही 3 ऐड करेंगे, then it will become 5 upon 6. Okay, 3 is added. Okay, no, न्यूमरेटर में भी 3 ऐड कर दिया, डिनोमिनेटर में भी 3 ऐड कर दिया, the fraction becomes 5 upon 6. Then the cross multiplication, 6 into x plus 3 is equals to 5 into y plus 3. Opening up the bracket, that is 6x plus 18 is equals to 5y plus 15. Simplifying it, 6x minus 5y is equals to 15 minus 18. That is equals to 6x minus 5y is equals to 15 minus 18. That is equals to how much? Minus 3. That is the value of the second equation. First equation, 11x minus 9y is equals to minus 4. 6x minus 5y is equals to minus 3. Again, we have two different equations. We can solve it by any of the method. We are solving it by elimination method. वो easy पड़ता है. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे यार, ये first equation है, the second equation. We will multiply the second equation by 11 and the first equation by 6. तो लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे multiply, या लिखते नहीं है directly, we just put the values, है ना. Now 11x minus 9y is equals to minus 4 multiplied by 6. That becomes 66x minus 54y is equals to minus 24. That becomes your third equation. And also the second equation multiplied by 6x minus 5y is equals to minus 3 multiplied by how much? Multiplied by 11. This 11, the coefficient of x. That is 66x minus 55y is equals to minus 33. That becomes your equation number 4. Now, you need to subtract. So, from third equation, we can subtract the fourth equation. किसी से भी किसी को भी कर सकते हैं. So, subtracting fourth from third. When we subtract, what will happen? What do we get? 66x minus 54, 66x minus 54y is equals to minus 24, and 66x minus 55y is equals to minus 33. Elimination method. Plus this minus, because we are subtracting, sign will get changed. This minus becomes plus and this minus also becomes plus. 66x minus 66x is going to get cancelled, or we will say that they got eliminated. Minus 54y plus 55y means 1y is equals to minus 24 plus 33 is 9. That means the value of y is equals to how much? 9. So we got the denominator, y is equals to 9. अब क्या करते हैं कि यार putting y is equals to 9 in. Now let us see what are the options that we have. This is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation, fourth equation. In any of the equations we can put. Second वाली ठीक दिख रही है, second में put up कर देते हैं. Let us see in second, putting y is equals to 9 in second equation. Second equation is 6x minus 5y is equals to minus 3. That is 6x minus 5 into 9 is equals to minus 3. That is 6x minus 5 nines are 45 is equals to minus 3. That is 6x is equals to minus 3 plus 45. 6x is equals to minus 3 plus 45 is 42. Because one number is negative, another positive. So subtract हो जाएगा, x is equals to 42 upon 6. That means the value of x is equals to 6 1 is 6, 7 is x is equals to 7. So again, this again is not the final answer. Y is equals to 9, x is equals to 7. क्या पूछा गया था? Fraction. So we will write, so fraction is equals to, fraction क्या पूछा गया था? X upon y, है ना? X upon y, or we will say is equals to, what is the value of x? 7. And what is the value of y? 9. So this finally is your answer, 7 upon 9. Okay, so this is how we have to solve the question. Okay, now one more question of the fraction based questions. Now again before reading the question, fundamental will remain exactly the same. Numerator को x ले लिया, denominator y, fraction is equals to x upon y. Okay, now let me read the question. What is given in the question? The sum of the numerator and denominator of the fraction is 12. Numerator और denominator दोनों को ऐड कर देना है तो वो 12 बन जा रहा है. तो अपन क्या लिख देंगे कि यार के numerator and denominator we are adding both of them, we are getting how much? 12. This is the first equation, simple. Now what else is given to us in the question? If the denominator is increased by 3, if only the denominator is increased by 3, nothing is given about the numerator. So if only the denominator is increased by 3, means numerator remains the same, denominator increased by 3, the fraction becomes 1 upon 2. Fraction becomes 1 upon 2. Now let's try to simplify this. That becomes 2x is equals to 1 multiplied by y plus 3 is y plus 3. 3 y transpose this side, 2x minus y is equals to 3. Simple. This is the second equation. So we have two equations in our hand. First equation is x plus y is equals to 12. Second equation is 2x minus y is equals to 3. Again directly यार ये plus y है minus y है, ऐड कर देते हैं, कहीं के लिए फालतू कुछ और करने का. Adding equation number first and second, that is x plus y is equals to 12 and 2x minus y is equals to 3. When we add, x means 1x plus 2x, that is 3x plus y minus y, cancel, because we are adding, sign will not change, है ना, of the second term, is equals to 12 plus 3, that is 15. That means the value of x is equals to 15 upon 3, 1s are, 5s are, that means the value of x is equals to 5. Once we get the value of x is equals to 5, putting x is equals to 5 in. First में put up करते हैं, easy equation दिख रही है. First equation is x plus y is equals to 12. 5 plus y is equals to 12. Y is equals to 12 minus 5. Y is equals to 7. So we have the values of x and y. So अपन क्या लिख देंगे? Then fraction is equals to what? Is equals to x upon y. And we also can say what is the value of x we have? 5 upon 7. And this finally is your answer. So this is very simple. Fraction based questions are quite simple. And this is how you have to do it. Okay.